Welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing home decor. Home decor plays a role in shaping the ambience and personality of a living space. Beyond mere aesthetics, it reflects the inhabitants' tastes, preferences, and even their lifestyle. The art of home decor involves an humorous blend of color scheme, furniture selection, lighting, and accessories. Color choices set the tone for a room, influencing mood and perception. Warm tones like reds and yellows create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, while cool tones such as blues and greens evoke calmness and tranquility. Neutral colors provide a versatile backdrop for various design elements, allowing for easy adaptation to changing trend. Future selection. Furniture selection goes beyond functionality. It contributes to the overall design aesthetic, whether opting for modern minimalism, classic elegance, or mixes. The choice of furniture can define the style of a room. The arrangement of furniture is equally vital, impacting the flow and functionality of the space. Lighting serves as both a practical and decorative element in home decor. Well placed lighting can enhance architectural features, create focal points, and evoke a specific mood. Natural lights is highly valued, emphasizing the importance of window treatments that balance privacy and illumination, including art, textile, and decorative items inject personality into a space. Artwork provides a visual focal point reflecting the inhabitants' taste and interests. Textiles such as curtains, rugs, cushions introduce texture and warmth. Carefully chosen accessories contribute to a cohesive and well curated look. The concept of home decor extends beyond individual room to encompass the entire home. Cohesiveness throughout the space foster a sense of unity and balance. Open floor plans often necessitate a thoughtful approach to maintaining consistency while allowing for functional distinctions between areas. The evolution of home decor trends mirrors societal shifts and influences. Styles may range from traditional to contemporary, with trends often inspired by cultural movements, historical periods, or innovative design concepts. Sustainable and eco-friendly decor options have gained prominence, reflecting a growing awareness of environmental concerns. Personalization is a key aspect of contemporary home decor. Customization allows individuals to infuse their spaces with unique elements that resonate with their identities. Dye projects, upcycled furniture, and artisanal pieces contribute to one of a kind home environment. In conclusion, home decor is a multifaceted art form that goes beyond of personal style, a tool for creating ambience and ever evolving expressions of social influences. The careful consideration of color, furniture, lighting, and accessories transform a house into a home, turning each living space into a canvas for self